Hello. Okay, we are. Charger came unplugged. Okay, so we are on to the next one. Next game today is called While True, Learn. While True Learn is a puzzle/simulation game about even more puzzling stuff: machine learning, neural networks, big data, and AI. But most importantly, it's about understanding your cat. In this game, you play as a coder who accidentally found out that their cat is extremely good at coding, but not as good at speaking human language. Now, this coder, it's you, must learn all there is to know about machine learning and use visual programming to help build a cat to human speech recognition system. So, we get to learn how machine learning works in real life. The game's loosely based on real-life machine learning technologies, from goofy expert systems to mighty recurrent neural networks capable of predicting the future. Don't worry, it all plays out as a puzzle game, no coding experience required. Train yourself into a data science wizard. Drag objects around your screen with a mouse, connect them with lines. Oh yeah. Try, fail, optimize, try again. Then press release button and see those sweet pieces of data flow smoothly through your screen. Embrace an adventurous lifestyle of machine learning specialist. Designing a groundbreaking technology requires time, experience, and money. That means you'll have to work as a freelancer, with all the excitement that comes along with it. Receive emails, accept contracts, sit alone in a dark room for days without saying a single word, socialize on forums. That's what real data scientists do. Coding just got real. Our quests are based on actual problems solved by machine learning. This includes building a self-driving car with your cat as a pilot, and if you really want to test your programming might, you can become the CTO of a startup. It's your skills and your schemes against the savage laws of the market. Earn a fortune, flip up your bosses, and become a tech guru. Or lose everything and crawl back to the doorstep to the HR department. At least it was worth trying, right? So, yeah. Sounds interesting. This came out yesterday, 26th of January, 2024. Published and developed by Luden.io, which is a Russian game development company. There are 28 achievements, but no one has earned them all. But only 8 people have played this, so it does not mean that they can't all be earned. It just means that no one on True Achievements has got them yet. So, unless there's anything in the forum. No. Nothing on there. So, this is also an ID at Xbox game. Thank you to ID at Xbox for the code. It's available on Xbox, PlayStation, Switch, and all of the PC platform, PC, Mac, Linux. Sorry, all of the PC platforms, all of the non-console platforms. It is £12.49 or $49.99 on Xbox. Did I look at the... on the IGDB? It came out in 2019 on the non-consoles. That's what I was looking for, the original release date. Ooh, we can buy kick-ass cat outfits. That's another thing. Sweet. So yeah. I thought this would be a really cool game. I like coding, I like cats. I don't know I know a lot about machine learning, but not enough to be able to do it, so... So, yeah. we are going to give it a go. Let me just get my controller. Oops. Launch the game. Switch over. Can I talk to our cat? Cat. Oh, we've got a mouse. Oh, I've got a cat paw. Alright, let's look at settings. English. A little less music, please. Controls. Controller. Community. Achievements. Education. Cool. Alright. New game. To become a programmer, you must master the art of turning your computer on. Press and hold A. Use the left stick to connect power outlet with your PC. Screen and keyboard, then press power. Congratulations, you're almost a programmer now. Should do it. Time to cross the fingers. Turn the power on. Cats don't have fingers to cross. We do, I suppose. Computer's on! One more step to be a programmer! Excellent. This little cat is gorgeous. No, no, no. Bug! Cold, cold, cold. Bug! Reach for the caffeine. Cat goes, ooh. Go make more caffeine. Cat goes, ooh. Code, code, code. What did you do? Build successful! Oh. Cat goes, We code. We code with cat. What did you do? How did you do this? Holy zeros, if I only could understand what this cat was trying to say. I guess we'll have to find out how to recognize your speech, right? Go. Catch, speech, recognition, to-do list. Google it on Cat Overflow. This is adorable. Enter your nickname, Angel SK. Okay. Cat Overflow being a pun for Stack Overflow. Okay. How to recognize animal speech. Hey everyone, can you believe my cat? Oh, devils debugged my code again. He definitely has something to say, so I decided to make some sort of a system, algorithm, which should help me understand him. Give me advice, wish me luck maybe? P.S. I'm not insane. Had to be tested. Don't rush ahead of yourselves. Making a device that will be able to detect the cat would be a nice start. You can work with video sounds when the time's right. Hey, a couple of days ago I've been reading about how expert system can be applied for detecting animals. Writing chatbots. This newspaper is called Deep News. I'll be sending you my copies when I'm done with them. Welcome to your workspace. This is where programming magic and bugs, mostly bugs, is born. To begin, drag an expert system node from the list on the right. Drag the connection lines from starting node on the left to expert system node on the right. If you want to delete connections, hover over the line and press A. Okay. Red. else. Take a test run to see if it runs properly. Photos with cat, photos with no cat. Woohoo! Run success. It's used. Hey again. I've tried that expert system and it hardly makes any sense. Squares are floating from left to right. Is that what all the fuss is about machine learning? It's actually working now. No, the machines are doing it. This is called visual programming, my dude. Yeah, this is how it's supposed to work. The expert system analyzes your data input from the camera and checks if there's a cat on them. No, it's not what machine learning is all about. It will get hardcore soon enough. Okay, well, bye, Jessie. We are programming so we can understand our cat. This is called while true, learn. Okay, I'm not very good at it yet. Apparently when do I actually start building a cat translator? Don't rush it, friend. You gotta master your machine learning ninja skills first. I'm working as a freelancer and the amount of contracts is crazy. I'll forward you some jobs I don't have time for. It'll help you get on your feet and earn some cat bucks as well. Check your mail now. P.S. You're still paying for the service though. Okay. Hey, Angela's K. Noob advice. There's an auto help for each new technology, very convenient. I've turned it on for you now. No need to thank me, but you obviously want to change your password. My cat talks 123 is pretty obvious. Okay, behold the task tree. This is the map of your progression in the game. Vertical progression stands for story quests, horizontal branches are optional. Icon color stands for different types of machine learning tasks used in repetitive tasks. Sounds pretty simple. Also, we hope. You see meow is I'm gonna kill you unless you give in to every whim. I mean, sure, but the premise is our cat can code and we want to understand what they're saying so we can become a better coder. Okay, so. Alright, Spanish school. Reward, $350. Good day, we're from our public school. Summer exams, results are attached. Could you process them and predict which students will be able to enter MIT? Okay. Okay, colourful geometric shapes. They represent various kinds of data, numbers, letters, elements of images. In a modern world, everything can be turned into data, and machine learning is all about sorting and interpreting data. Long story short, your goal in the game is to transfer data from the left part of the screen to the right. These bars show the minimum amount of data that needs to be processed to complete the task. Okay. Okay, so green. Input data there. Green goes here. Else there. Test run. Release the program to complete the task. Okay. So we spent 42. Okay. First bit. Yeah. Nope, definitely a cat. Everything is cat. Okay, so reward, and that's how much the cat cloud cost us. Excellent. Task type. Cat overflow task, task story comics. Okay, and then we've got task tree. Oh! Menu. Okay, so tree, seabay. Does nothing. program pre-installed. Cat skins. Oh. Oh, it's 50 cat bucks. I'm just gonna buy something. Buy an interior. Okay. Okay. Just checking, you know, I don't want to get stuck in the thing. Errors in the database. Right. We have errors in our questionnaires data. We can't solve the problem. Could we fix it? Okay. Your efficiency is measured not just by money, but with medals too. Medals influence your story progression while boosting your self-esteem at the same time. To get a medal, your scheme has to meet the respective time and nodes limit. You can improve your result later on. Okay. New. Trash can. This node destroys elements. Important details. No matter how many trash cans you place, they will count for one node in the nodes limit. In the real world, real data sets have lots of errors. Filtering out errors is a very important skill for also data scientists. So we can learn how that works. Warning, maths and integrals, derivatives and other scientific words inside. Oh my god, it just opens up Internet Explorer Edge. Oh great. A Medium article, which then does the do you want to whatever. Okay, let's go back to the game. Okay. Right. So, the aim is 29 seconds, no more than 2 nodes. Okay, so. Yeah, you see, that's 3. Oh. Right. I'm looking at it like, I have to do red, green. No, literally. Tell blue to go to the trash can. And that means red and green come through here. Which gives us 2 nodes. And it's only going to be as efficient as our current thingamajiggies are, but... Cool. 28 seconds. So 28. Yeah, so if we can improve the speed. Then it costs less. It's a bias against dogs in gaming anymore. I mean, sorry, I realized you said that like a little bit ago, but yeah, I was busy trying to do my decision tree thing. So we've got gold medals so far. I'm really enjoying this game. I mean, there are plenty of dog games. I like cat games. We are more likely to see cat games than dog games on this stream. You could have a look at the, 2024 tab in the spreadsheet and see if there's any dog games in there that you want to play. Okay, new types of errors. Please update your program. It would be easier if you use the previous version of the code. You're back! We are programming to understand a cat. Deep news. Every bay since 1905. Back in time for opinions. Yeah. Non-neural artificial intelligence. Mankind has always been trying to create artificial intelligence. Before the invention of neural networks, people used expert systems. An expert system is a deterministic algorithm which reproduces decisions of a real person. And as an example, this is Eliza, the very first chatbot in the world. It was created in 1966 and talked with the patient using questions similar to real psychotherapists. It worked horribly. Hello, I'm Eliza. Eliza, how are you today? Would you like to discuss? Check this out. Custom nodes are special nodes containing your previously designed schemes. Press on the middle tab to switch to custom nodes list. Okay, drag the custom node sorting the color red to the workspace. You want to... Oh, I should have read that. If you want to modify the schema inside, double click on it. Cool. Okay. There's a dog game called Milo's Adventure. Yes. There is indeed. Okay, so red else. Oops. Red goes here. That goes here, and we move that down there because I hate lines overlapping. But Nikki, you're a cat person. Please. Woot. Eliza, world's first chatbot. So cute. Ooh, now we have decision tree. Optimus. Ooh, okay. Right, but I have inbox. Cat. Private. History of expert systems. Ah, okay. I like this. Random machine learning facts. Yeah. The history of expert systems. 1965 can be considered a starting point for the work on creating expert systems. That year, scientists of Stanford Research Institute, Edward Feigenbaum and Bruce Buchanan, teamed up with Nobel laureate Joshua Ledenberg, and began working on a computer system designed to determine the molecular structure of chemical compounds. Cool. $3,000 for a Viking helmet. I like it. Right, let's go back to the tree. Decision trees. How to recognize the cat in the picture. Is there any way to detect the cat without using expert systems? It works for text, but with pictures not so much. Furthermore, that cat just won't sit still. That it does not. Try decision trees then. Those are like expert systems, but on steroids. Once you feel comfortable around them, try Sift. This little devil is way more effective with pictures. Also works nicely when paired with other algorithms. Or you can use nails or glue or something. It's just a cat, it won't fight you back. Like, please don't use anything I mentioned on a natural cat. Alright, processing time. Different nodes have different processing rates. The parameter will influence the efficiency of your schemes. Icons to the right indicate the amount of time required for a node to process one element of data. Okay. Decision tree color. In the game, This node compares output parameters to sockets with an element's colour. Element colour is equal to only one socket's colour. The element moves to that socket. If the element's colour satisfies both conditions, or none of them, it goes to a random socket. Okay. And there we go. Well, a decision tree is one of the basic machine learning algorithms. Each tree knows a limited number of classes for each element. The tree asks some questions and chooses the class most similar to the element. I like that it includes this. I hate that it opens like edge while I'm mid-game, so right. Okie dokes, we want to get green in either, red or blue. Okay. So, because it says it chooses a random one and green can be in either, decision tree, because it's the most efficient. Okay, so we've got optimization. Okay, we've changed our database system. Can you update your code one last time to work faster? Decrease and increase speed. Click a button on the screen. Click on speed number to pause. Wow. DLL is basically a sandbox for schemas. Create them, apply them in tasks, experiment as you wish. You can use almost all kinds of nodes and as many inputs and outputs as you see on the screen. Keep in mind you only have one slot for DLL nodes by default. Go to the shop to get more. Oh, cool. Okay. Okay, so for efficiency, 2.3s of a second is better than 1. So firstly it splits red-blue. It said we can have multiple trash cans, didn't it? So red can go through here. Blue goes to trash can. Then we get red-green because it said it does a random. So red goes here and green goes to trash can. Cool. Okay. Decision tree equals smart tree. Oh, there was another message there. Who invented the decision tree? Decision tree is one of the automatic data analysis methods. The first ideas of creating decision trees date back to the works of Hovland and Hunt in the late 50s, 20th century. However, the fundamental work that gave impetus to the development of this direction was a book named Hunt, Marin, and Stone Experiments in Induction, published in 1966. Have I ever considered a career in programming? Why would you ask that? Medics. I mean, yes, I did. For the past... How many years are we now? Only 20. Greetings. Our company is manufacturing all organic natural painkillers. They're used to decrease suffering, mood improvements, and coping with eating disorders. Known side effects, including dilated pupils, diarrhea, physical and mental addictions, are caused by the human factor. From time to time, our workers pick the wrong plants because they look like medical herbs. We'd like you to design an algorithm that would sort herbs by petal colours. Cool. Uh-huh. Three nodes. Okay. So, basic red, blue. And then also if we've got to fill up all the streams. I forgot to connect the node up. Oh no, I didn't forget to connect the node up. Okay. Can't have two nodes coming off that thing. Get that too slow. Too slow. Nope, I'm not happy with that. We've got to split the reds. I was going to put half of them in there. So we want to split the reds. Alright, then I've got one stuck under that thing. Too slow. It's the least amount of blues. 26 of them. Maybe want to do a blue elf. It's messy. This is not going to work either. No, it's not processing the data fast enough. Okay. It's not processing the data fast enough, so I need to figure out how to process the data faster first. Alright. Strange man. Illuminati origin. Good day. I study ancient manuscripts and books in order to figure out the true story behind the Illuminati's secret society. I need to recognize all the triangular shapes in these documents to solve the puzzle. Could you design a program that would do that for me? Oh, Sift. There's no compare shapes. If an element shape matches the designated shape, said element goes into the top socket. Others go to the bottom socket. In the real world, SIFT, Scale Invariant Feature Transform, is one of the most powerful non-neural algorithms with detective features on pictures, which is essential for image recognition. SIFT is very fast, capable of recognizing simple objects and patterns. Okay, we want a triangle. That's trash can. Okay, I mean, yeah. Alright, we got a gold. Except working with a man seems too easy. Boring or soul-sucking for the scam procedure of a startup. In the word of savage market knows the single swear when you get rich or bite the dust. It's worth trying. Okay. Banhammer. Hardware. All right. Wrenchum. RAM. Tambourine. Because we can afford all of that. More FPS for the FPS god. Buy a PC upgrade. Cyborg. Viking helmet. Cactus. Protects from radiation. Alright, Banhammer miniature. First person shooter. Frames per second. Okay, now let's continue my MedX one then. Alright. Process is faster. Still don't think. Just gonna turn the heating off because it's making tingling noises. Because it's already warmed up. No, the bottom one didn't get enough. Hang on. I didn't realise there was an any. Blue. Any. Just split. Any. Try that. Oh, that's not working. Yep, stop. Maybe we do it the other way around. Blue. And then hi, Little McGree. No, blues aren't going through, right? But I found as an any, so any is good. Yay! There we go. And I got a bloop. Overmind. Better than developer. I don't know what that means, but yay. Ooh, and then error stack overflow. Your task. With unlock trash can, without it. Yeah, there were too many blues choosing the wrong way, exactly. Crowd psychology. Okay, let's just see if we're typing in. Not we can afford. Letter from Mum and Dad. Hello, dear. Remember how you cherish your financial independence? But come on, your B-Day is just around the corner. Be a good kid and take this money and buy yourself something nice, will you? Yes, we love you. We love you very much and miss you. P.S. Do not forget to put a hat on. It's very cold outside. Sure, we'll take the cash. Why not? Cash is good. Right. So, we need to do chicken escape first. Chicken eggs, cat meow. Chicken escape farm. Hi there, my name is Sarah. I own a small technology farm. Our distributor demands supplies of eggs of different kinds, and it takes a lot of time to sort them. That's why we decided to automate the process. We have all the data about egg parameters, but we need an algorithm which will work without human assistance and with high accuracy. Because sometimes air is good. Right, okay, so eggs data. Sift. So, firstly, circle. Feels very inefficient, but hey, else. Square. Swift is just quite slow. So we have sped it up a little bit. Yeah, there are 77 square eggs. I need to... this is... No, I'm going to reset. So, firstly, we're going to do square. Then we're going to do circle, because it's more efficient to sort them in the shapes we have the most of. Even if that does cross the wires. It still takes over a second to process, and we've got too many, and there's no way we're doing it within time limit. Oh, except that we've only got to get 6. One more. One more down there. Damn it. Okay. Come on, triangle. I'm not happy with that. Maybe it's just a case of the way that it comes out. And we might get lucky if we do it again. No. Okay, well, we'll release it for now. I've not got any hardware. I realised we could buy a cat skin, but we're going to. Let's do crowd psychology. Good day. Yeah, it might work with a fractionally faster process time. Exactly. Let's see. Wait till we can upgrade, and then we'll try it again. Our company's making research on crowd psychology. We need an algorithm which will be capable of defining a person's type based on certain behavioural patterns. This way, we'll be able to quickly identify dangerous individuals in the crowd and prevent unpleasant accidents. Anyone think this sounds like a terrible idea? We've identified the parameters to work with. We need an experienced developer to write the algorithm. Oh god. Oh god. Okay. Oh, this is gonna take some brain. So I think the better than developer was I did it with like 2 out of 3 nodes. Okay, so firstly, we want circles. We want red circles with some blue circles. And then we're just going to trash the rest. For now. It's not great. Because green circles aren't a problem. That's 5 people you're profiling, Dan, that are not to be profiled. So then we specifically want to outline triangles. And we want green ones to go here. And any for trash. So it's not highly accurate at all. And then we have squares, which is else. This is bad. Just to clarify, this is bad. Yes! I know some will be. That's why I said this is bad. Just to clarify, this is bad. And it's not the solution. But it's what we've got at the moment with the nodes. Yes. Ostensibly, I would rather an innocent person, a guilty person went free than an innocent person got profiled. Yeah. So, that's not going to work. So, we're gonna come back to that one. When we have more types of things. We're honoured to invite you to join our startup, world's first AI-controlled pizza place. Our fingers are always stained with flour and we can't really code because of that. Help us write and implement an algorithm that will be capable to separate orders for round pizza from square-shaped pizza. Let's feed the pizza and be rich. No, feed the people and be rich. Ooh, hello. We need more gold. Join a startup. Scheme created while working for a startup does not differ from any other. There's no solution to startups. The scheme just works better or worse, and your future profits depend on its quality. Probably not, because I think it'd just be too slow. I'll revisit it after I've done a few more of the other bits. So, sift. The program seems to be working fine. Further testing won't affect your results. Okay. You're trying to design an AI-controlled pizza place. It serves pizza in rounded square shapes. The scheme you're designing in the brain of the pizza robot. It sorts the orders by the shape of the pizza that your clients order. These are the users of your startup. In this case, your pizza restaurants. They've heard of a new amazing place in town, and now they want to grab a slice. These are your clients' orders. The millennials don't care too much about topping, only shape matters. Mind the accuracy. If a client gets a pizza they've ordered, they will pay you money and tell their friends about your place. If a client doesn't get what they want, they refuse to pay and don't expect them to return with friends. One more thing, clients don't like waiting in queues and they will leave with no hesitation. If your scheme is working slowly, the waiting line will get longer. The market is constantly changing, to pay attention to what's going on and experiment with your schemes. Now it's time to launch your first startup. Okay. Alright. Launch. This table is your principal source of information about startups. Press next day button to proceed. When you switch to the next day, you get the money you've earned or lost depending on how many users' requests were processed by your scheme. Hey, your users seem to like what your scheme is doing. They're even inviting friends. The cash is flowing. The hype icon is green. That means your startup is all over the news. Expect lots of new users. Okay. Okay, so yeah, we can't really get those ones quicker yet. So I'm really enjoying this game. Okay, you've reached the end of the epoch. Click on one of the banners to proceed further into the story. Gold, of course. Eliza. Cat's biology. Camera. Cat mail. Should definitely work. Cat! Eureka. Cat has been detected. Dawn of civilization. Rosenblatt's Perceptron. Get through the ancient times epoch. Catch speech. Ooh, basic cat emotions. Goal. Learn how to detect cat in the pictures. This is very cool. Love it. Animal emotions. So management to computer detect the cat, but that beast is a complicated soul. Definitely has more to tell. Maybe it's time to go next level and start recognizing emotions. Ever heard of perceptrons? They were invented in the 60s to recognize written text. Everyone knows that everything invented in the 60s is awesome by default. The double helix, rock and roll, lava lamps. Also, maybe you can switch to dogs instead of cats. This tree has worked like a magic for my Pluto. Also, you can hit the store and get that random forest node. A forest is more effective than just one tree, you know. Error rate. And now for something completely different. Perceptrons can actually learn and improve. Bad news, they also make a ton of errors on the way. Percentage of this errors is shown in this icon. Use a training mode to teach perceptrons and decrease the amount of errors. Alright, Mark 1 Perceptron. In training mode, Perceptron reduces the amount of errors while trying to predict the shape of elements. Oh, hey, look, it can do... That's what we want. We need a Perceptron for that other one. In test runs, Perceptrons only predict shapes. Rosenblatt's Perceptron using Mark 1. This Perceptron could recognize only simple linear dependencies, but it doesn't have to recognize English letters. Okay. So, Mark 1, Perceptron. Circle. Square. Triangle. Training. We've got horrible accuracy. Thank you, Lady McGree. The nodes on the field have reached their minimum number of errors. Nothing more you can teach them. Okay. Test run. Success! Woot. Ooh, bloody hell, the cat cloud used a lot of money. pictures. Grandpa probably used it. Time is passing and the market changes. When the hype icon is in yellow, it means your target audience is already wherever you start. Don't expect many new users by that point. When the hype icon is grey, that means you've satisfied your target audience. Users starting to leave. When it's time to cash out, when they start becoming red. Okay, press the next day button. What does patch mean? Ah, we can try it. If we had a thingy. Yeah. We're still on the startup. Ooh, okay. Alright, fade haircut. Show hair with your hand for a perfect hairstyle. Back propaganda, okay. The numbers up here are very broken, by the way. We'll just buy a fade haircut, why not? Well, we can see that, but... Okay, so, trick. Can we... No. Is the answer? Hi, Munch. We are programming cats. No, programming for cats, by cats, on cats. It's programming. I need to think on this one a bit more. Okay, dairy products. Hello, my name is Sam. I own a dairy products factory. My dream is to make the very best goods on the market, and that's impossible without high accuracy and fermentation processes. Alright, off with the fancy words. I want a program that would judge the quality of a product by its ingredients. We often make mistakes when doing it manually, and a lot of our products never leave the factory. Since we mark them as defective, we have the data, but we need the algorithm. Okay. That one's always going to be 100% accurate. No! filter then further. No, I need to switch those around. It's not going to train if it doesn't get enough data in. There we go. Quickly perceptibly different. Okay. Metal gear construction. Solid construct. Okay. Hello. We've already got time for one or two more. Metal Gear Construction Factory produce fittings and supply raw materials to construction grounds all around the world. We're especially proud of our high standards of quality. At the moment, we're receiving a lot of new orders, and we're running late with the deadlines. An algorithm is required that will analyze the quality of raw material and discard poor quality ore before it leaves the conveyor. Manual analysis is way more time than we can afford. Oh no! Okay. Alright, we need to train that. And then we need to do... circle. Green circles to the trash can. I realise there'll be some blue circles in there. We'll deal with that. There'll be some blue circle coming through here. We'll deal with that in a minute. Just want to do a basic. Okay, so we'll deal with triangles. No triangles. Train first. Could have two more nodes in there. Colours are trained. but we need to make sure we filter out any blues. That is messy, 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 but let's test run. It's too slow. Okay, so let's do any. We risk losing some, but I think that risk is better than. But processing things through multiple nodes takes time, and we don't have the time. Stop. That should be blue. This is not efficient. Right, that's not working. Okay, so multiple processing just adds time. I have the most green circles, so let's filter out green. The most blue squares. No, it's not. I'm not happy with the decision trees. Nope. I want to unlock more hardware. So yeah, there's certain ones on these that need more. Let's do the almost machine learning. Not a cat. Reinforcement learning. 0. Hello. We as a society of people who loves cats. We want our cats to have all the best. We want cats to drive cars with no humans instead. But cats have no hands. Cats has paws. Can you make car that self-drive? Yours, Dr. Meow, W Cats, human person. P.S. Please excuse our grammar. We are not cats. We are humans. We can't type. Well, because we has paws and no hands. Terrible car accident. Bad surgery. It's why we need to safely drive cars. Ha! In reinforcement learning tasks, nodes work in a bit of a different way. All data is initially unspecified, and your task is to recognize it and transmit it to the RL agent, the AI. Gets the unrecognized data on the input and classifies them as an object or a road. Objects to go to the up socket, roads to the bottom. So, SIFT is one of the most powerful non-neural, very fast. We've already read that part. Okay. On the screen, you'll be training and testing your AI. AI based on data you've been recognizing when building your scheme. Data is about surroundings on the road are processed from your scheme to machine learning model. Your car won't be capable of learning and detecting obstacles without it. Goal in this type of task is to make the AI clever enough to be able to reach the target average speed level. Press supervised learning and drive the track yourself using the right stick or arrows on the screen to teach the AI. Be careful the car sees only objects inside the LiDAR area, green, and only learn from them. Press training and watch the car's AI try to reproduce your actions. We hope you've been driving safely. Evolve. I'm just going to do auto. Oh, right. Test and enjoy your results. Okay. Let's test run. I think I was driving too fast when I did mine. How many levels? Oh, we got a gold. Excellent. Sweet. Okay. Can't upgrade any hardware, but we did have a new cat thing that I just clicked off. These are very expensive. Obviously, we're trying to build up our monies. Okay, so that is while true learn. That's very cool. So if we go to the menu, save. Oh my god, I didn't save. Shit. Okay. There's a manual save, everyone. Make sure you save. Achievement. So we finished a level, we bought an interior, we completed a task without the unlocked trash can, we bought a PC upgrade, we joined a startup, we got to the dawn of civilization, and we did a level better than the developer. So first steps, first victories. So these are all the epochs. Finish all the tasks in the main trunk, tasks in the game, gold rating, purchase all the items for the kitty in one walkthrough. The nodes at the shop in one walkthrough. So I'm assuming that means like a single save game. PC upgrades, interior items, get a bank loan, read all personal mail. Elements will destroy you. UPS is a cool thing. Aha. Cosplay by clothes, buy a node, complete all tasks with real RL. Complete a task with not fully trained node. Ooh, okay, and then some hidden ones. Cool. Let's just put the credits up. I'll be right back while the credits are going. Tired but proud developers, yeah. Go. And yeah, if you want to learn more about machine learning and Python, which is the langue de choix, the language of choice for machine learning professionals, then yeah, they have a bunch of resources. Of course, you have to click on them and it opens an edge, but yeah. That's very cool. I like this game. It's a good puzzle. It fits in with my brain, though obviously some of them it's like unsure if need new nodes or just not seeing solution. So yeah, I look forward to playing some more of that. So yeah, thanks for the cats. And yeah, well, thank you for watching, everyone. That was pretty much perfect timing for streaming. I have some more games to showcase tomorrow. I was going to do story time, but a bunch of cool games came out this week. And I'm like, well, while I can, I will make the most of it, because next week I've got like one stream and then that's it, because I am going to see my grandpa. So one stream left in January, which I believe will be a co-stream with Jesse. I might see if he's willing to do Wednesday as a co-stream, so I can slip in one Joe stream, because I did miss Thursday because I was exhausted. But we'll see. There are many programming games you're already terrible at most. Oh, I'm sorry to hear that, Leaky. It really does depend on how they're presented as to whether I can wrap my head around them or not. I think I just need to stare at those multiple shape color ones a little bit more to figure out what the trick is that I'm missing. It may be I need to sort by color then by shape. I'm not sure. But yeah, it may be that I gotta just get my processing speed down, or my training accuracy up, or something like that. So yeah, anyway, thank you everyone for watching. Thank you to ID at Xbox for having an amazing program and playing me with codes. And yeah, thanks to Dana Milo for the resub. Hopefully you enjoyed the games today. We had Hidden Through Time 2, Myths and Magic, and While True Learn. Both came out literally this week. One on Thursday, one on Friday. And it's just Saturday today. Yay! It's not Sunday yet. I haven't missed all of the weekend. Anyway, I will watch you later. I've been Joe, otherwise known as Angel SK, and have a great rest of the week. Bye!